As deliberation in the Kyle Rittenhouse trial moves on, Judge Bruce Schroeder is banning MSNBC from the Kenosha County Courthouse for the rest of the proceedings. Kenosha police say a person claiming to be a producer for the network was ticketed for traffic violations after allegedly following a bus carrying jury members. NBC News says the man was a freelancer and never intended to photograph the jury. No pictures were taken of the members. Eric Franke is back in Kenosha tonight. And Eric, it has now been 3 days without a verdict. Have you seen any tension or frustration from the crowd at the courthouse?
Not really, other than just a few shoving matches here and there between the small gathering on the courthouse steps. It's been pretty calm here. As you mentioned, 23 hours now of deliberations for this juror. They asked Judge Bruce Schroeder if they could go home at about 4 o'clock tonight. It was 5 o'clock last night, 6 o'clock. So they're a pretty exhausted crew at this point in time. 23 hours total deliberation since they started on Tuesday. They'll resume deliberations Friday morning at 9. The scene outside this courthouse, again, relatively calm. Aside from those few shoving matches, there was at least one incident where a man was taken into custody today, although we really don't know the reason why he was taken into custody. Kenosha PD saying they've seen nothing unusual here, no safety concerns, although they do say there have been a few bogus threats posted online by what they say are bad actors, but for the most part calm and safe in the area around the courthouse. We didn't see any legal questions, the evidence questions about drone video or any of that today. For the most part, the jury just conscientiously working in the jury chamber, and how much longer they'll deliberate is really unknown. Now, one thing making it a little more complex for them, maybe the jury instructions, more than 30 pages of them. They asked Judge Schroeder if they could take those instructions home tonight. He granted that request as long as they didn't show those instructions to anyone else. And one light moment today was Kenosha County Sheriff David Beth. We've seen him a lot over the course of the last year or so. He was handing out cookies and coffee in this bone-chilling cold weather today. Very windy, very chilly here. He called them coffee and cookies for peace, hoping to keep things calm out here, and so far, that is what we have seen. Charlotte?